All right, so did you know that in Pennsylvania, our custody factors are changing from 16 down to 12? Let's talk about it. So, my name is Alicia Kinchlow, and I'm a family law attorney based in the southeastern Pennsylvania area. And on July 1st, 2025, Governor Shapiro signed into law House Bill 378, which on August 30th is going to change our custody factors from 16 to 12. Now, all of the factors are not going away. There are some changes, some substantial changes to the custody factors. But what the goal of the amendment was to basically consolidate some of the factors. For years, many practitioners and judges have said that there's a lot of redundancy in the custody statute. And so to get around some of those issues, streamline the process, the legislature has decided to, again, change that from 16 to 12. I'm going to go through this kind of quickly because, again, this is a short, but I'm going to talk about some of the changes that you'll see beginning August 30th. And again, if you want to see these for yourself, you can look up House Bill 378. Specifically, factors number 1 isn't changing. There are substantial factors to factor number 2, specifically 2.3. And what 2.3 does is that it incorporates factors 8 and 13, but it also changes some of the language. So it's very important to kind of read through how the language changes. Some things I want to point out is that this is where we're talking about the level of cooperation between the parties and the level of conflict. So some of the things that come up here are going to be whether you're trying to protect a child from abuse, protect yourself from abuse or concerns or reasonable efforts, what's good faith, and then also the child's relationship, something that has not been in the factors before, but a child's deficient relationship with their parent, the other parent, shall not be presumed to be caused by the other parent. So that is something that I think is very important to note that has not been in the custody factors before specifically. Some things that also come out is going to be some changes to factor number 3, which is the parental duties. They're including specifically in there what has been the parental duties in the past, along with in the future. Number 5, which is the availability of extended family, is taken out, but it's incorporated into factor 6 with other familiar relationships. 8 and 9 are taken out. 10 is taken out. Again, some of these are incorporated into previous ones. And then we have the employment schedule of the parties being specifically stated in factor number 12, where it wasn't there before. And also, the last part of this that they're saying is that they're going to have to include these factors within 30 days to any person who's filed a complaint for custody, a petition to modify, or a petition to intervene. I look forward to talking with you a little bit more about this, so make sure you subscribe and share this out. Until then, take care.